It's Frank with Stonelink Property Manager. We're here at 91 Hartford Avenue, Unit 226, Providence, Rhode Island, Providence Lofts. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. Second floor studio apartment for rent. Hardwood flooring throughout. High ceilings. Ceiling fans and mini splits for cooling. Good closet space there to my right. Roughly about 700 square feet. Beautiful big windows. Refrigerator. Cabinet and countertop space. Stovetop. No oven. Built-in microwave. Sink to my left. Get the bathroom, the shower. No tub. Vanity. I'd like to apply for 91 Hartford Avenue, Unit 226, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult would fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.